Hey Leslie, it's Bob Eikenberry here. I got into your planner and I think that I got this fixed so that you can start using it and then you can see your eighth grade um, history teaks over here. So I just wanted to show you. Now the first week it's still um, it's kind of goobered up in here. Now your plans are still there, but it still says sixth sixth grade over here. But when you get over here to your next week, when you start planning, I've already put in your regular and your pre-AP, and when you click over here, then you'll see the social studies grade 8, and then when you click down here, you'll see pre-AP. Now, when you go to a new plan, I've done that for the 28th and the 29th. When you go to the 30th, okay, then it's going to say what schedule do you want to use for today. So you can go ahead and choose 8th grade U.S. History pre-AP and begin planning. Okay, and then when you want to add the eighth grade regular, you just go here and you go to eighth grade U.S. History, and um, that'll add eighth grade history. And then when you click here, you'll see eighth grade pre-AP, and when you click here, you'll see regular eighth grade. A little catawampy, but I think that'll work for you. I hope that helps. Thanks.